Okay, let's see how this works. Let's try to get some in-car audio, see how that goes. Finally got my AWE resonated touring exhaust on, and I've had it on for about a week, maybe 2 weeks now, and honestly I love it. It's everything that I wanted. Just cruising, I don't know if you can hear, but I'm in 4th gear going 40. I can barely hear it. I usually have music on, so you know, it disappears instantly then. The drone on the highway is very, very minimal. Obviously, when you have an exhaust and you're going up a hill, it's, you know, you're going to hear a little bit. But as soon as it levels out, it's gone. So, it's exactly what I wanted. Also, hope this mount stays on. I haven't used it in years, so. Oh, it's tilting. Let's try this one more time. I'll take it.